Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are unboxing this month's Glossybox. So this month we have the original box design, I guess, because sometimes we get these sometimes we get these collector's boxes, which I sometimes keep. Sometimes I throw away the lids but just keep the actual box because they come in so handy. Okay, so as usual, this is how it's boxed, and we open that up. This is our little leaflet, and these are the contents. So we have 5 products this month, as usual, from Glossybox. I think this is we rarely get like a 6th item or something. If it is a 6th item, then it's probably like a tea bag or a Raphael or stuff like that. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I have received is the nip+fab exfoliate glycolic scrub fix. This is how the product looks. And what is this? This is an exfoliant with glycolic acid, I would imagine so, and it's a triple action facial polish, and it has 3% glycolic acid, which gently exfoliates and retexturizes, and also it has salicylic acid, which cleanses pores. This is pretty cool because the one that I'm using now is from Simple, and it's just, I think it contains rice granules or something like that, and I read the ingredients and it actually contains mineral oil, so it kind of, these are the products that clog your pores, and I don't want to use that. So what I'll do is I will just use that up. I will never purchase it, and I'll be happy to give this lad a try. And the next thing that we have is the Monoskin Line Smoothing Eye Cool Gel. So this is what the product looks like, and it is for all skin types. It contains arnica and Siberian ginseng. And this refreshing gel instantly revives and tones tired eyes, reduces puffiness and dark circles. I'm quite happy that I received an eye cream this time, because the one that I'm always using, which is the Polar Icy Magic one with this cool roller ball, which I actually really enjoy. It's actually, on its last leg. I don't think I have that much left in it, so to have one like another one back in my collection is actually very good, so quite happy about that. And the next thing is the Gatineau Paris Stratégie Jeunesse. I hope my French is alright. And this is a firming throat gel. It's anti-aging. So we are supposed to apply it morning and or evening. Stroke downwards towards base of neck. That's strange. Like a throat neck. I honestly have never heard of such a product, but I think I might actually get use out of it, because as you can see, my little friend here is very prominent, so maybe once they start to lose weight, I kind of want this area to keep its elasticity so that it just doesn't, stay like that. So maybe this will actually help. That's cool. Very, very cool product. The next thing that we have is the Mystic Black Novex Deep Hair Mask, and it's free of parabens, petroleums, silicones and sulfate, and it is a baobab, is this how you pronounce it, oil. Very good, and it's ideal for all hair types, and like I said, it's a deep moisturizing mask. This is what I wanted to say. So this is how the product looks. This is actually a hefty sample, to be honest. Kind of smells fresh, very nice. I will probably get a good month's use out of it if I wash my hair twice a week or so. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool. I wonder, I hope it's just going to make my hair, you know, smooth and shiny and hydrated, especially, you know, with my pink hair now. It's actually a color shampoo, so it's gonna wash off after 2 or 3 washes. So I'm actually trying to prolong it now, so so that it lasts as long, because I honestly enjoy it. When I was like, how old was I, 17 or so, my friends and I, we decided to go crazy, and we have dyed our, you know, like did an ombre effect with pink hair dye, and that lasted on my hair so long. Like, I think I had it for like definitely more than a month. It was mad, but I really enjoyed it. You know, it's kind of fun. So I wanted to try it again, but I wouldn't do it for as long again. Which is, I'm quite happy that that there's a color shampoo that washes off within, you know, 2 or 3 washes. So yeah, that's besides the topic. The last product in this month's box is the Larizzi Cosmetics Shade Sticks. So let me just open that up so we can see. This is the packaging. Very nice, very fancy, and this is the product. And let me just swatch it on my hand. Wow, I actually enjoy, look at the color. Like, it's a little on the warm side, but I think it's actually quite a good color. Oh wow, and it's super creamy and blends out like a dream. So I applied way too much, but I don't know if you can see that. You can see it just smooths out, and looks very nice actually. I love cream contouring, and yeah, I'm not highlighting as much, but like cream contouring is my favorite thing, because like you apply it, you blend it out, and it looks so smooth and natural, and then you just put powder over it, and it just looks, you know, like I said, natural. Like you naturally have this shadow here that snatches your face, you know, and you look 10 kilos less. But yeah, this is pretty cool. So this is a cruelty-free product, paraben-free, and that is it, and it's in the shade Aloha. So that is actually pretty cool. Okay, so let me just count this up. So 1, yes, I really like the contour stick, the hair mask, the throat gel. That's a fun product. The scrub, facial scrub, yes, I really enjoy that. And the eye cream, I'm definitely going to use it when I use this one up, which is hopefully going to be fairly soon. So yeah, oh my goodness, this is 5 out of 5 box for me. I'm definitely going to use all of the products and give them a try. So yeah, that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, more unboxings if you want. And yeah, that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.